Good day, viewers. Yeah, my name is Peter. Yeah, welcome to our educational YouTube channel, educational TV channel at Scholars Card TV. But before you proceed, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel. All right? Thank you very much. So this afternoon we are looking at a question in mathematics, exponential equation. It's a very simple math. It's a very simple question because by the time we finish the two questions, you understand exponential equation very well. Okay, so the first question says that 5 power 2x minus 26 bracket 5 power x plus 25 equal to 0. Please take a look at it. Question. So in this place, we are going to substitute the 5 power x into any letter. Okay? So this 5 power x now, let's change it to factor, substitute it into any letter so that we can able to what? Get our equation. So in this place, let 5 power x be, let's choose p. Let's choose p, letter p. You can choose any letter rather. It can be y, any letter actually. So be what? Be p. So in this place, take a look at it. Now come and say 5 power 2x minus 26. Now this p, you know, I told you that this p has been substituted to what? 5 power what? 2x. So definitely this is 5 power 2x here. So now become what? That's p square minus 26. This minus 26. So this 5 power s we have substituted to what? To p. Are you getting it? So we now come and now write p plus 25 equal to 0. Very simple. Now, because look at this p square here, because I said this 5 power 2s has been changed to as opposed to p. So automatically, since this one is 5 power 2s, it becomes what? P square. Now in this place, you now come in now p square minus 26 times p, give us what? Minus 26p plus 25 equal to 0. Are you getting it? So we are now coming here. We are now going to factorize this place. In this place, we are not going to factorize this 26p plus 25. So in this place here, how do we factorize it? You say we are going to look for the sum of this 26p and the product of 25. So in this place, now look at it here, minus 25 minus p, we give what as what? Minus 26p, because look at it, minus 25 minus p, that's what? Minus 26p. Minus 5 minus 5, that's minus 10. Can you see that now? So that's how to, so we are looking for, that's how to find the sum when factorizing. So because look at it, minus 25p minus p, we give it as what? Minus 26p. Are you getting it? Are you getting that? So at the same time, don't forget that this minus 25p means what? This p may explain to that as 1. Are you getting me? So if I'm now saying, okay, this minus 25 times what? Minus 1, it gives us that as what? Plus what? 25, which is what we have here. Okay, if I'm bringing that as minus 25 minus 1, because this p is what? Is 1p. If I'm bringing that as writing the question down, which is what? 1. So we are saying minus 25 times minus 1, give that as what? Plus 25. Because this is minus times minus, which is what? Plus. Take note of that. Look at it now. Look at this. Take note of these signs, please. We have plus times plus is what? That's what? Plus. Take note of that. Minus times minus is what? That's what? Plus. Plus times minus is what? That's minus. Minus times plus is what? That's what? Minus. Okay. So understand that in mathematics. So in this place, we are going to write this down. Now write p square minus 25p minus p plus what? No, I've already factorized this thing now, which is 26p. Can you see that? So I bring it here now. I'll factorize it here. I get me? Plus what? 25 equal to 0. Now in this place, what do we do? Let's now bring it. Let's factorize this place. P now, the common factor of this one is what? As what? Is what? As p, which is what? P here minus what? 25, because Look at this place. P times P, we give what else? P square. Then P times minus 25, what else? What? Minus 25. Take note of that. So in this place, we have a minus here. So what's our common factor here? Because look at it. So our common factor here will be what? 1. So we now have what? 1 here. You now put your bracket. Take note of that. It's a very simple mathematics. Just look at the video and over. It's very simple. That's it. So we now have here, we have our P here. Then now put your what? Minus what? 25 equal to that is what? 0. Are you getting me? Because minus 1 times minus 25 equal to what? Plus 25. Minus 1 times P equal to what? Minus P. So that's it. So in this place now, we are going to write the inside and the outside bracket. So in this place now, we have what? P minus 1. That's P minus 1. Then bracket what? P minus 25 equal to 0. So in this place now, you can see that, now see, let's bring our 5x now. Now see, definitely our 5x, see, if we now equate it, we see that this one will automatically be what? Be P equal to what as 1 or 25, because when we equate it, that's when we equate with this is 0, give us that P equal to what as 1 or 25, because when this minus 1 crosses this is 0, I get it, we have what as what? Plus 1. And this one, we have what? Plus 25. So now they are positive integers. So in this place, we're now going to bring our 5 power x here. 5 power x here will now become that as what? 1. So but this place, we are going to bring it in the same base, okay, of 5. Okay, by writing that. So this 5 power x have to be in the same base of this one here. We have to write it in the same base that will give us what? That we when we find the value, give us that as what? 1. So automatically this one now becomes what? That's what? 5x. Look at it. We have 5 power 0. Because any number power 0 give us that as what? 1. So in this place, 5 divided by 5. Now have x equal to that as what? 0. So in this section here, we have done it. So the second aspect is what? Is 25. Like I said, our 5x is what? We have done this one, which is for 1 here. We are now come, we have 25. So I tell you, we're going to bring it in the same base of what? Of 5. So in this place, now have 5 power x equal to that, so 5 power 2. Are you getting me now? So divide it, 5 divided by 5. You now have x equal to that as what? 2. Are you getting me? So in this place, our answer for, therefore, our answer equal to what? X equal to that as what? 0 or 2. That's the first answer for the question. Now, let's check the second question, which is what? Which is this. We have 3 power x power 2 plus 2 bracket 3x power x minus 3 equal to what? 0. Are you listening to me? So, let's write. I hope you get that. It's a very simple math. It's very simple. So that's the first question here. X equal to 0 or 2. So let's go to the second question. Because I was praying, I'm going to rub up this board. Now, in this place now, let me clean the board. Yeah. Let me clean the board so that there will be a space to solve the second question. Are you with me? So, now, we have 3 power x here. Okay. We have 3 power x here. Square plus 2 brackets what? 3 power x minus 3 equal to what? 0. So in this place, like I said, this is the second question. It's a very simple math. Just follow the procedure I'm using. So in this place, like I said, we said let's what? We are going to substitute this 3x just as we did in the first equation. So in this place, now going to write let 3 power x be what? Be y. Are you getting me now? So in this place now, we are going to write 3 power y square plus 2 bracket what? Bracket y minus 3 equal to 0. So in this place now, what do we do? We're now coming here, now write y squared plus what? 2 times y, that's 2y, minus 3 equal to what? 0. Very, very simple. So, what are we going to do here? We are going to factorize it just as we did it in the first one. So, we are going to sum it, which is what? 2y and 3y. So, the common factor for this one is y squared. Okay. So, let's find the common factor. So, we are going to find the sum and the product. Okay. The sum of this 2y is what? Look at it here. It's very, very simple. Minus what? Minus y plus 3y. You give us that as what? You give us that what? Plus 2y. It means what? 3y, or you say plus 3y minus y. It means what? Plus what? 2y. Okay? So that's that. Or look at, if I'm not, now that's for the sum. If I'm taking the product now, I say 3y times what? This is the coefficient of this y, which is what? Times minus 1. We will have what? Minus 3. So that is how we can derive our factorization here. So in this place, we have gotten the what? The sum and the product. We now write y squared plus what? Like I said, we have 3y minus what? Y minus 3 equal to 0. So in this place, now write, let's factorize. The common factor of this one is y. Bracket y plus what? 3. Are you getting me? So what's our common factor? We have minus what? Bracket what? Y. So this one has to be what? Plus, which is what? 3 equal to that's what? Is 0. Are you getting me now? So in this place now, because minus times y equals what? Y. Minus times plus equals what? Minus 3. So in this place, we're now going to write what? Don't forget, put your 1 here, because this is our common. We have 1 here. Take note of that. 1 times y gives us what? Minus y. Then 1 minus 1 times plus 3 gives us what? Minus 3. Now in this place now, please take note of that. Now we're now going to write it. We're going to write it. Y plus what? Y minus what? Y minus 1. That's the outside bracket. Y minus 1. Take note of that. Bracket y plus 3. That's the outside bracket. This is y minus 1 and y plus 3. Equal to that's what? Is 0. So let's continue. So by the time we equate it with this 0, the 2, we now have what? Y equal to what? Plus 1. And this one will now become what? Or y equal to that as what? Minus 3. Because we have equated it with this 0. So in this place, now bring this 3x, 3 power x. Now say 3x power x equal to that as what? 1. Equal to, which is equal to. So we are going to bring this 1 out to be in the same base. We have to make sure that this 1 has to be in the same base with this 3 power x, so that we have the same value. Now have what? 3 power x equal to that as 3 power 0. So 3 cancel 3. Therefore now have x equal to that as what? 0. That's the first one. Then the second one, which is what? Minus 3. Now going to have 3x power what? Equal to that as what? Minus 3. Now if you look at it, there's no way we can find the power. So definitely, I hope you are listening, class. It's very, very simple. So definitely, this one has what? No solution. No solution. So definitely, the only solution in this question, the only solution is x equal to 0. So that's the final answer. So go through the video, watch it over and over, and if there's any comments or any question, make sure you ask from our comment section. Thank you once again. Please make sure you subscribe and share, like our video. Thank you very much.